Once you are finished with the Pro Tools project, you need to make sure when you turn it in that you turn it in with all of its parts. The best way to do this is through a process called Save Copy In. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to File. I'm going to go to Save Copy In. So I need to make sure that I not only save the session, but I save the audio files. I check the video files out of habit, but it's not necessary for this. So what I would probably call it is I would just refresh it here. So I'd call it my last name, name of the band, actions, the song, South, and the date. And then you know you did it right if it takes a second because it has to copy all of the files. Then you go to the place where you saved it. This folder is right here. Within this folder, there's a bunch of parts. There is the PTX session. Your project is not going to have video files, but it will have audio files. If you don't turn in all of these, you have essentially turned in nothing to me. I need you to zip this folder. It's a different process on a PC, but what you do on a Mac at least is you right-click the folder that contains all of these parts, go to compress, and then it takes a little while to do it. And then once it's finished, you have this file which has all of these files in it, and then you upload that to Canvas. In the Finder on a PC, you go over to the Share tab. That reveals the option to zip the folder that you've selected, and then it zips it, and you can upload it to Canvas.